I used to agonize whether I should become a US citizen or retain my Japanese nationality. So this jacket, I'm dealing with my internal dilemma. I deal with my dual background, Japanese and the United States American. Happy is a Japanese style, the straight sleeve jacket, and mostly it's a half length in a kimono style, but it's a half length, it's a coat. Then always Happy is being worn by store servants. Then this back has a family crest or emblem that identify the person who wears this coat belong to that family or clan. Then nowadays, people wear Happy coat at the festival. Then usually it has some kind of a organization logo, or some kind of a festival theme. This Happy coat is made of two material, organic material. Front side is made of cotton. Then I hand printed with red and blue colors. Then the other side, by the way, this is a reversible jacket. Then inner side is made of silk, which is a traditional Japanese garment material and very delicate. So you have to be very careful not to snag, or because it's a white, so it's easily to be, that if you stain something, it's very visible. Then this circle represents Japanese flag. So this side represents Japan, my native country. Then the other side represents United States, my adopted country. Then cotton side is very durable, then just like jeans, so you don't have to worry about, if it gets dirty, then it's more carefree atmosphere, so you can jump up and down, then it's very kind of open. But this silk side, it's very restrictive, so you have to be careful. If you walk narrow area, make sure these sleeves won't touch, other dirty surfaces. So it's very kind of make you be more aware what you are wearing it. Okay. Then when I wear this Japanese side, I become Japanese immediately. Then my demeanor becomes very polite. Then it has like a Japanese mannerism, and I tend to bow when I meet somebody like this. Then when I walk, I don't walk with big stride. I walk a little bit narrower. But when I wear this side, I love the United States. I love what it represents, freedom. And also I don't have to worry about how I behave. It's more free, so I become more kind of free-spirited. Then I feel comfortable walking like this, a little bit swaggered, But just amazing how the outer garment changes you. It's just like outer skin. Maybe somebody has a white skin color, others may be black, or I'm yellow. It's just like the skin. I used to agonize whether I should become a US citizen or retain my Japanese nationality. I now feel I can be both because I see from both sides. When I go back to Japan, I'm a Japanese, but I look at Japan from outside and looking in. then equally true, then I look at United States from overseas, from Japan. I see a lot of things good about United States, but also I have a critical eye, and I retain those things. The duality really informed me, then also it shows in my art. Then I'm quite comfortable being both.